So here I was working like a 2013, 14 Hyundai Santa Fe, and the customer was complaining that the whole steering wheel would like almost vibrate, kind of like pulsate, like when you got warped rotors, um, and it was pretty loud. It was clunking very loud too. It was like it was nothing I've ever heard before, but it was every time you would brake, you would hear this really loud clunking. And it was in the steering shaft, in the steering wheel. And I'll be quiet right now so you can hear it. And what it ended up being was a combination of two things. One, the warped rotors, which were pulsating, and two, a steering shaft that was clunking. So to see if you have a clunking steering shaft, you just have to put the car in park and move your steering wheel side to side and see if it's clunking. And on a lot of these smaller Hyundais, it's pretty common that the bushing on the steering motor goes out. But on this Hyundai Santa Fe, I don't think it has that same problem. It's just making the same noise, but it's not the same concern. It doesn't have a bushing. I think it has an updated bushing, so it ended up being a steering shaft. But the customer didn't want to do it, and the only way to diagnose if this clunking in the steering is coming from the bushing or the steering shaft is you have to disconnect it right here where the steering shaft connects to the steering motor. And then once you disconnect it, you turn the steering wheel side to side, not full turns, just side to side like I was doing in the video, and see if the clunking goes away. If the clunking went away, then it's the steering shaft. If the clunking did not go away, then it's probably in the steering motor bushing, if it has that. For me, it was the steering shaft. When I disconnected it, the clunking went away, and the customer did not want to do it. They just wanted to do the brakes, get that trembling and the crazy trembling in the steering wheel to go away. And when I did the brakes, changed the rotors, the trembling went away. But it was still clunking, on turns, because it's just gonna keep doing it because that steering shaft is worn at the U joints. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out. Hopefully this helps you out.